Hi, I'm Dr. Amanda Hagee from the University of North Dakota in the Department of Biomedical Sciences. I'm just going to talk you through some basic safety when you first come into a lab space. So you'll notice that I am wearing different personal protective equipment, or PPE. So I have gloves on. I'm also wearing a lab coat here, and then I'm wearing long pants and closed-toed shoes. So that's kind of be your basic requirement in almost any lab space, regardless of what they're working on. Gloves may or may not be kind of required based on what you're actively holding and working with. Eye protection beyond your personal glasses may also be required based on what you're working with for those. So coming into a lab space, most safety things that you need to be aware of are usually kept near a sink like this. Things such as a spill kit should be available to you in case you spill any sort of chemicals. And then a first aid kit should also be available to you, again usually kept near the sink. And then this video will also show you how to use a eye wash station for those. So underneath our sink here we have for a spill kit, have a bucket for glass particles or for sweeping up anything, dustpan and broom here, as well as some basic cat litter that is highly absorbent to usually use for larger spills, for things that wouldn't necessarily need cleaned up by a paper towel for things. And then we also have a first aid kit available with bandages, gauze, antibiotic ointment, just some basic first aid things for little nicks, scrapes, those kind of things in the lab. At almost every sink there should also be an eye wash station in case you do get something that splashes into your eyes for things. It's really important that these are maintained and checked regularly to make sure that they're in working order and that the water coming out of them is a kind of room temperature, regular temperature, so it's not super cold or super hot for contact with your eyes here. To use them, then you squeeze the lever here, and that should just stay on. What you would do is then essentially hold open the eyes in front of the two water streams to flush them for a lengthy period of time, up to 15 minutes for those. So then to turn them off, you're going to want to hold the handle again, and then you pull up, and that releases the handle to move back out and turn off the eye wash station for things. So that's some basic lab safety. Again, I'm Dr. Amanda Hagee at UND. Good luck in your lab stuff.